So how do you send the video in a Google Drive on your Android phone? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So the first condition is that we have the Google Drive application downloaded on our device. As you can see, I have it, so I'm going to get inside like this. And you, of course, need to be signed in with your Google account. So you can see in the top right corner your profile picture and whether you are signed in or not. And in here, let's say that I'm going to create a separate folder, which I'm going to share. So I'm going to name it the video like so. And I'm going to create that folder. Then we're going to get inside. I'm going to tap the plus icon again and tap on upload so I can essentially just choose the videos from my device. I have a couple of them, so let me just choose this one, right? And this is going to be the one which I upload to that folder. So it might take a while, depends on the size of the video, but now that we have it inside of the folder, in order to share it to someone else over Google Drive, we can tap the three dots and tap on Manage Access. I like to do it this way because the general access is restricted, but I'm going to change it that anyone with the link can essentially open that video, right? So anyone with the link is going to be the viewer, because we can also make it editor or commenter, but I like to keep it to just viewer. And then now I'm going to copy the link and I can share it over messages, WhatsApp, email, or anything else. And at that link, you can see that, this is the link which I'm talking about. You can see this link right there, which you could notice was essentially used to see that video, right? So as you can see, this is the video link which you can click on, and essentially anyone with a link will be able to browse that video. So that's how it works. Just upload the video to Google Drive, then manage the access, copy the link, make sure that anyone with the link can view it, and you are basically done. So let me know if it worked out the same way for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.